everybody. In this lecture, let's get more understanding about the concept glyphs that is used in the bokeh application as such, right? We know that these are the building blocks of your bokeh application. So what basically this glyphs means that whatever the elements, visual elements that appears that constitute the part of your the visualization that is getting plotted over there, right? So whatever those data markers, those are coming, the series, those are coming, bars, those are coming, right? All those things are nothing but the glyphs into the bokeh terminology over there. So what different things can appear over there? So maybe I can have the line over there, or the rectangles, squares, diamonds, etc, etc. So now this plotting interface, whatever that is available over there, right, it helps me to conveniently plot such kind of different glyphs on the bokeh visualizations over there. We are going to see the appropriate examples for that particular purpose over there in the upcoming lectures. So now before that, let's just have a look at this particular snippet of the code. Don't bother about all the details about that particular stuff, but I will ask you to just have a look at this particular figure object that I am creating, right? So there is something figure, the canvas kind of thing that is available over there, and with the help of that one I will be able to render my visualization. Okay, so by using that figure object over there, I need to get a reference to that particular figure object there, and then I can make utilization of these glyphs over there. Okay, so if you see in the next line, p.circle is mentioned. So if you see the output of this particular code snippet over there, so whatever that visualization that has come up over there, right, 4 or 5 different circles are showcased over there. So we might be having 4 or 5 data points associated with them. So that's why those different data points are there. Those are getting represented with the different circles on that particular visual over there. So now the way is pretty simple. I need to get access to the figure object, and on top of that one I can start calling the glyphs over there. We will revisit these codes when we'll go to the actual hands-on session over there. At the same time, if you see, right, this bokeh visualization, it has a unique toolbar associated with that on this particular side. Okay, so that toolbar is basically going to give you the interactivity for that particular visualization. For this particular toolbar, we don't require the bokeh server as such. Okay, without bokeh server itself, with this particular visualization will be working, and we will be seeing the demonstration of the same in some amount of time there. Okay, so is the circle is the only thing that I can go ahead and put up on that particular visual over there? So no, as you can see, right, there are plethora of options, those are available over there. So something does familiar to us. So circle is there, cross is there, diamond is there, right, edge bar, horizontal bar is there, I think vertical bar will be there. Rectangle is there. So all those different shapes that you can go ahead and you can use as a part of your different your visualizations over there. Okay, so we will see the examples with respect to that one. This is another simple example on the same line what we have seen earlier, how we are going to plot a line chart over there. Okay, so the mechanism is pretty simple. Get access to the figure object over there and call a line function on top of that one. So basically by that line call that we are saying that I want to render a line with respect to the x and y values what I am going, and maybe another formatting options you can specify for that particular line over there. But the underlying mechanism, it's simple. Get an object, access to the object, and call the glyph function on top of that one. Another bar related example, the same mechanism is used. Get a reference to the object and called a V bar, vertical bar on the top of that one, so that you can go ahead and plot that particular visualization. I don't bother about the whatever code I have written, code snippet I am showcasing over there on the slides. We will revisit them at the appropriate places in this particular lecture series over there. Okay, so we will continue our discussion, we will continue our exploration with respect to the different ways by which this bokeh visuals can be rendered, and how the different bokeh applications can be developed that will have additional interactions with the server side setups over there. Thank you.